What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I want to do a talking video of the Stihl MS940 chainsaw. And I really hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 mowing season, because I know since the fact this thing will get used this year, because see, it did get used since I think it was January or February. I'm not sure exactly, because you can see this thing is covered in a little, I don't know, wood chips or something like that. It's got a hair on it. You can see it's got one line over there too, but exactly. But as you can see, you can tell this thing's been sitting for a while, but no, because you can see, and this thing is covered. Well, it's not covered in oil, but you can see how much they expected this exactly. You can see, I do like this thing a lot because you can see how much expected this thing exactly. So you can see, I do hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 this year. I know it will, because it did get used in 2024 last year, but I don't know. Since this thing will get used this year for 2025, I know since the fact this thing will get used this year. And I promise that this thing will get used this year, because I know since the fact this thing will get used this year, because you can see how much expected this thing exactly. Because well, I do kind of like this chainsaw exactly. It's definitely how much we expected on this thing exactly. Even though this thing has been used almost quite a bit, because you can see how much expected this thing exactly. So I do hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 this year.